Hi, boosters. We wanted to send a message to let you all know that we're thinking about you this week, and we wish we could be in Palm Springs to celebrate and have kinship with you, and we hope to see you in October, and we hope that you're doing well.
Hi, Boost World. I'm just so excited and to see different boosters out there, and I missed everybody, and I miss seeing everybody at Boost this week, but I'm very proud to be part of the expanded learning field and all of these awesome people.
Hi, boosters. I ordinarily would be seeing you at the registration table at Boost Conference, but right now we're thinking of you, and out-of-school educators are the most creative and loving out there. So I hope all of you and your family are well and you're able to connect with some of your students and send them all your love and positivity. Take care.
Hi, boosters. We're missing you this week, but we know we need to do this for the safety of our community and our children. So stay safe, and we'll see you in October.
Hi, boosters. I'm glad to see you all virtually, and I miss you this week at Boost, but we'll see you real soon at the next Boost meeting. I'm looking forward to it. Stay safe.
Hi, boosters. James Stevens. How are you doing? Just want to say keep safe, keep healthy, keep classy.
Hey, boosters. Most importantly, my people that line up at my line at the registration table at the H2O table. Looking forward to seeing you guys very soon. I hope you're all staying safe and having a wonderful time. As you can see, I'm practicing the duck duck race. I'm taking a little break from the duck duck race, but I'm paddling a little bit. So hope to see you all soon. All right. Thank you. And I got you guys all a tattoo saved. I have a tattoo in your name when we get back. See you guys.
Hi, boosters. My name's Melissa Perez, and I am missing that we're not packing and getting ready to be in Palm Springs with everyone, but I hope everyone is staying safe. In the meantime, please don't forget to check out our website, check out the trailers for the film festival, and we are looking forward to seeing you all in October. Stay safe, be well. Aww.
Hey, boosters, it's Meredith. Shout out to the room host. When I say room, you say host. Room
Host.
Missing all y'all this week. Stay safe, stay positive. Looking forward to seeing you very soon.
Hi, boosters. We just wanted to say that we love you. And
Oh. Andrea, go ahead.
Hi, Boost. We miss you. I wish we were hanging out in the exhibit hall this week or poolside. I'd take that as well. But I hope everybody's staying safe, and we're really looking forward to hopefully seeing you all in October, and we'll really have some things to celebrate then. Until then, take care.
Hey. Bye, everybody.
Bye.